Welcome back to the workshop here for the STIHL Focus On series. Today we're going to focus on just that, battery-powered professional blowers.
Power is it's what we've been talking about a lot earlier,
right?
And it's actually more about all the individual components working nicely together. So we don't just make a product, put it all in the housing and the shell and say we're satisfied with that. We change the components and make sure we've got the best combination of possible components to get the best power out of the machine. So we've got a small video here which shows us testing that combination of components before we are happy to release a machine to the market.
So this here is blowing against this plate, and it's the force and the pressure and the power produced by the machine is being tested here, right?
Yeah, exactly. We're just measuring the blowing performance there, blowing the plates, but what we're really measuring inside is that combination of components and getting that ideal combination together in there to make the BGA 250 what it is.
I've got to say, I do love your tests. They're really exciting. And then there's one final video that you've brought which kind of wraps it all up together, doesn't it? Explain what we're seeing here.
So what we've got here are two areas set out, testing a STIHL BGA 250 on the left versus a competitor product on the right hand side. When you're using a battery, it's natural for the voltage to decline as you use that battery.
Okay.
We have technology that increases the amps as the voltage drops, so you get constant power. What we're actually seeing here is constant power on the left, but a declining in power on the right hand side with a competitor model. So as you get to the end, you've got less power than when you started, and so he's having a bit more of a task to actually clear those leaves at the end.
Exactly, he ends up needing a lot more time to finish the project, right?
Yeah, about 20% more time overall,
right?
To do exactly the same task with blowers that both started with the same power. So you don't want that decline in power. With all STIHL batteries, in the AP system we have this smart technology that increases those amps as the voltage drops, so you get constant power.
So in that comparison video that we just saw, 20% faster. I mean, if you work that out in hours, if it's a 5-hour job, you're getting it done in 4 hours. I mean, that's significant difference, isn't it?
Yeah, it could be a significant difference. So, but we've talked about power a lot today. Power is really important, and not just the power on the spec sheet at the start, it's the constant power throughout the entire use. So
the real world power.
Real world experiences, exactly that.
Paul, thank you so much for sharing it with us today. It's been a blast.
My pleasure. Thank you very much.
And thank you guys for dropping by. Until next time, don't forget to ring the bell and subscribe to the channel. It's the only way that you can find out the next time Paul has got some insights to share. But until the next time, from all of us here in the workshop, take care of yourselves and cheerio.